McPherson from the agency here, and I cannot wait to show you 31 Oxford Road in Yeppoon. This generous family home is exceptionally appointed. From the waterfall stone bench tops through to the walk-in pantry, I love the functional floor plan and generous outdoor entertaining. And how's this for a master bedroom? Huge windows, lots of natural light, dual vanity, dual shower with built-in speakers and a huge walk-in robe. There are so many extras throughout this generously appointed home, I can hardly list them all. Solar, crim safe, sprinkler system and double side access to the fully fenced 868 metre square allotment and 9 by 7 metre power shed. So there you have it for 31 Oxford Road in Yeppoon. If you'd like to own your piece of Central Paradise, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.